And you sealed it off?
Yeah.
Did that help a lot?
Yeah, it helped a lot.
You wanna give me an intro real quick?
Okay, I got two 12 F5 SP4 12s pluses or the Sundown 7500.
Okay.
And electrical Limitless 45 and 370 custom electronics.
All right. And you sealed it off?
Yeah.
Did that help a lot?
Yeah, it helped a lot.
What is it tuned to?
32.
Nice. So pretty musical.
Yeah.
Okay.
One of the subs I think is a little damaged. I think the spiders coming loose the driver's side.
Okay.
But it still plays though.
Yes, sir. What's it meter?
I never metered this setup yet.
Okay. And you're wired down to what?
Half
Ohm? Okay. All right.
Spoilers on the ball, keep a cutting. Blow 100,000, ain't nothing. Cause I'm a young nigga, get money. Blow don't rest 30 minutes.
Be sure to add me on Jacob Viral on Facebook. Be sure to be subscribed to my channel Jacob Viral for daily car audio videos. I'm a young nigga with respect. A hard-headed nigga puts away. Shoot this bitch up like the rent. 4 goals in his back like an Audi. Whole brick on your head, that's a bounty. My nigga won't spend the night in the county. Keep a fine lawyer like Johnny Cochran. Go ahead and give this video a like if you're enjoying the video.
Heck yeah. 33 hertz.
Yeah, that's why.
Nice. That's a good demo song for you, man. Yeah, perfect. Right around your tuning. Dude, that sounds good, man. It's hot today. Yeah. Let's get ready to get out.
You see what I'm wearing? I ain't prepared for. I'm wearing jeans.
Oh man. What's in your doors?
I got a Ryan 6.5.
6.5.
Yeah, one day I'll do my doors.
Okay. Yes, sir. Any alternator? I'm gonna check out.
370 CSS. It's a custom electronics, large cases.
Okay. Awesome. I appreciate it, man.
Right,
What vehicle? What vehicle?
2012 Chevy Malibu.
All right, Chevy Malibu. All right. Check out the amp rack. We didn't get to look at the beauty of it. Nice Scar white amp. I've never seen that before. I like your amp. I've never seen the amp Scar White. That's pretty cool.
That's the Marine one.
Oh, okay. Ask why. Limitless.
45.
Nice little fan.
Yeah, it's not hooked up.
Okay.
I ain't had time to hook it up. Sorry.
Make it work.
Tons of cardio videos on my channel, Jacob Vile, that you can go ahead and check out after this video.
All right, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry.
Be sure to be subscribed to my channel, Jacob Vile, for daily car audio videos. Be sure to add me on Jacob Vile on Facebook. Go ahead and give this video a like if you're enjoying the video. Sure to be subscribed to my channel, Jacob Vile, for daily car audio videos. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.